Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and having fun. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Trupti, and we are here for our morning maths class. So, children, let's get started. Those who are continuously attending the classes, those who are in touch with these classes, must be knowing that we are on multiplication. We are doing multiplication times tables. We are doing how to multiply two digits by one digit. So let's see what we have here. Children, let me tell you that these classes, like early morning maths classes, we go live on YouTube. So here, how we can interact is via chat box. There is a chat box. You can answer to the questions in the chat box below, right? You can even ask your questions if you have any queries or anything that you want to ask. Please message in that chat box, which is under the video. You will find it there. Make sure you are using, you are fully using that chat box. Okay. And kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get daily updates. So yeah, that's all from my side. Let's get started. Okay, so I hope by now you are able to see my screen. All right, this is multiplication part 4. We will continue with multiplication. We will work out on some numericals and some questions. Here, we'll see how to multiply a 2-digit with a single-digit number mentally. So there are certain ways of doing it. Let me tell you one. Let's say it's 6 times 45. Now, it will be a little difficult for you if you will do it mentally, like 6 times 45 straight away. So what I have done is I have broken down this 45 into two parts. 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. Yeah. So 6 times, first what I'll do, 6 times 40 plus 6 times 5. 6 times 4 is 24. And 1 0 extra here, which will become 240, means 6 times 40 is 240. And 6 times 5 is 30. So 240 plus 30, 4 plus 3, 7, 270. Now we will verify it, means we will check it whether we have done it correctly or not. So over here, let's see the next one. 45 times 6. 6 times 5, first we will multiply 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30, 3 here, 0 here. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So answer is 270. And see, in both the ways, the answer is same. That means we have done this correctly, hence verified. Okay. Now let's try another one. I want you to do this. Okay. I'm giving you some time, like 1 minute or so. Please do this question. Okay, so 57 can be written as 50 plus 7. So first I'll do 4 times 50. Then I'll do 4 times 7. So 4 times 50. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 and 1 0 extra, 200. That means 4 times 50 is 200. And 4 times 7 is 28. Or 7 times 4 is 28. Yeah, okay. But here, 1 second. Yeah, all right. So 28 plus 200 or 200 plus 28 will give me 228. I hope you got the same answer. Now let's verify. Let's check. 57 times 4. So first is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 2 here, 8 here. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. It's 228. Both the answers are same. That means we have done this correctly. Hence verified.
Dear students, please wait. Ma'am is about to join back. There's a network glitch. Please wait for a while. Meanwhile, you can revise your session, students. Whatever we have just learned, you can revise that. Tripti ma'am is about to join. She's here.
All right. So sorry for that, dear children. We were on to multiplication of two digits by one digit. So the trick that I taught you, you have to do it by that way. And with that, it will become so easy for you to do it mentally. And even if you are doing it on paper, that will be super easy for you. Okay. So over here, let's see the next few questions. All right. Here. We did this. So here 228, we got the same answers for both. Now let's do what is the product of 4 and 92. 4 and 92. What's the product of, wait, it's 5 and 92. I'm sorry. What's the product of 5 and 92? Five and 92. So 5 times 2 is 10, 1 there, 0 down there. 5 nines are 45, plus 1, 46. Is it? Yes, it's 4, 6, and 0. 460 is the right answer. Let's do the next one, 7 and 62. Children, start calculating in your mind. Once you get the habit of calculating in your mind, it will become very easy for you. 7 and 62. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 carried over 4 here. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 1, 40. 434. Easy? 6 and 43. What's the product of 6 and 43? Okay, so 6 and 43, 258. 6 3s are 18, 1 there, 8 down there. 6 4s are 24, plus 1, 25, 258. 3 and 84. Come on. 3 and 84. Okay, 252. Okay. Next, 4 and 75. I hope it's done. It's 300, 5 and 36. Product of 5 and 36. $180. Now let's see multiplication of a 3-digit and a single-digit number. 3 digits with 1 digit. So how we are supposed to do it is, again, a very easy thing. Just like you are doing for 2, you have to do for 3. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Wait, I'll show it to you here. 4 times 6 is 24. I can't write 24 here. So 2 here, 4 here. Then 4 times 7 is 28. But I can see this 2 is already on top of 7, means carried over. So I'll add 2 and it will be 30. So 3 will be here, 0 will be here. 4 times 1 is 4, but I can see a carried over number, which is 3. So 4 plus 3 will become 7. So answer is 704. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 here, 4 here. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2, 30. 3 here, 0 here. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. 704. Let's do this one. So 7 times 5 is 35. 3 here, 5 here. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 3, which is already carried over. 3 plus 1, 4, 2 here, 24. So 2 here, 4 here. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus this 2, which is carried over. 4 plus 2, 6, it is 16. 1645, 1645. Is that clear? All right. I'll give you time to do this by yourself. Come on. I know you can do it. Super easy questions. Okay, I hope it's done. All right, 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 4, 24. Plus 4, 28. 6 times 3, 18. Plus 2, 20. Let's check again. 6 times 7 is 42. 4 here, 2 here. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 4, 28. 2 here, 8 here. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2, 20. 2082 is the answer. Okay, 2082 is the answer. Now, let's go to the next one. Consider 4 and 157. Just like we did, 2-digit numbers mentally. Similarly, we are going to do 3-digit numbers mentally. So 4 and 157. How can you break 157? It's the place value. The number value of 1 here is 100. 5 is 50 and 7 is 7. So I'll break this down as 100 plus 50 plus 7. So first I'll do 4 times 100 plus 4 times 50 plus 4 times 7. So 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 50 will be 200. And 4 times 7 is 28. So 400 plus 20 plus 8. So 400 plus 200 is 600. Plus 28 is 628. Now we will verify. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fives are 20 plus 2, 22. 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 628. Hence verified. Easy. Let's see the other one now. Children, I want you to do this, please. Super easy questions. Okay, I hope it's done. All right. So how did we do this is 215 can be broken down as 200 plus 10 plus 5. So 3 times 200 first, then 3 times 10, then 3 times 5. 3 times 200 is 600. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. So 600 plus 30 plus 15. So basically we have done 30 plus 15. You can even do it like together, or 600 plus 30 first, like whatever way is comfortable to you. So 600 plus 45 is 645. Now let's verify. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 here, 5 here. 3 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6, 645. Great, if you got the right answer, and if not, please practice more. One more for you. Come on, dear children, one more. I know it can be done easily. Come on, be quick. Okay, so over here, 100 plus 80 plus 9. First, 7 times 100, 7 times 80 then 7 times 9. 7 times 100 is 700, 7 times 80 is 560, and 7 times 9 is 63. When you will add them, it will be 1,323. Let's verify. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 6, 62. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6, 13. 1323, 1,323. I want you to do this. Find the product of 9 and 244. Come on, children. All right. So 9 and 244, it's 2196. How? It is 200 plus 40 plus 4. That will become 244. So 9 times 200 is 1800. 9 times 40 is 360. And 9 times 4 is 36. When you will add them up, it will be 2196. Great. Let's do this next question. Again, you have to break. And this time, I'm not giving you the options. Try to do it by yourself. Okay? I know it can be done easily. Come on. Children, 1 minute more to do this. It's not that difficult. So I hope it's done till now. Okay, so over here, 2912 is the answer, like 2912 is the answer. 364, you can write it as 300 plus 60 plus 4. 8 times 300, 8 times 3 is 24, 2400 here. Then 8 times 6 is 48. So 8 times 60 will be 480. Then after this, the next is, 8 times 4 is 32. So 2400 plus 480 plus 32 is like here 2400 as it is. 480 plus 32 is 512. So when you add both of them, it's 2912. So children, today we have learned like how to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. Yeah, 2 digits by 1 digit. We have also learned, it's 1 digit, singular, right? So 2 digits by 1 digit. Then we have learned 3 digits by 1 digit. Make sure that, so make sure that you are adding proper, like make sure you are adding, like when you write the place value, when you write the number value, you are doing it correctly. Otherwise, the answer might get wrong. Make sure you do the times table properly. Okay, because if the times table will not be right, then your answer will definitely be wrong. So kindly, it's always better to learn the times table so that calculation can be done easily. Okay, so that's it. That's all for our today's class. We will be doing a few more multiplication questions and a few more exercises in the next class. But what I want from you is practice. Just think of, like, just make up any number in your mind and multiply it with any other random number. So it's all about thinking. You can give questions to yourself. You can give questions to yourself and you can see how well you are doing it. Multiply it. Let your parents check it. So just practice and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay. So yeah, children, that's all for our today's class. Thank you so much for joining. And I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. See you.